Hey, it's Eric G from Around the House. If you've been thinking about upgrading your backyard barbecue game, this is the week to do it. It's Monument Grills Week, August 17th through 24th, and they're firing up some seriously hot deals. You'll get site-wide discounts, free gifts with purchase, bestseller combo deals, and double reward points to boot. That's right, this week is stacked. And here's the kicker. Buy before or on August 20th, and you'll automatically be entered to win your order for free. You heard that right. Your whole order could be on Monument Grills. Plus, all week long, they're throwing down on social media giveaways, games, and fun stuff that'll make your feed sizzle. So make sure to follow them and get involved. So don't wait. Head over to monumentgrills.com, grab your next grill, and make the most of Monument Grills Week. Because if you're cooking outside, make sure it's with Monument. That's monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday's episodes of Around the House with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast on your favorite podcast player. If you want exclusive content and early access, make sure and subscribe to the Around the House Insider. In the first hour of the national radio show and podcast, we clean things up with Evan Greco, the brand president of Rolling Suds. We talk about soft washing and how you can safely clean everything around the house.
You are removing mold from the exterior, but you are not killing those spores that are in there. So if you do an excellent power washing job on the side of your home and all you were doing was just removing it through pressure, in 3 to 6 months, you are going to see that come back pretty quickly. However, if you are soft washing your house and you're doing it with typically sodium hypochlorite is the go-to, you can get a good 2 years out of that. And then if you're in an area that's not coastal, you're talking 2 to 3 years. That will last you over there. It's an issue of actually resolving the problem versus just masking it.
In the second hour of the national radio show and podcast, we sit down with Saloni from GenTent. We are sliding into the peak of hurricane and wildfire season. Now is the time to protect your investment in your backup power generator and revisit generator safety so you have power no matter what Mother Nature decides to send your way.
What people don't realize is that these alternative solutions, while they're marketed as generator running covers, they tend to be made of flammable material. We do a lot of testing in-house, right? No, we're literally what we're doing is we're getting 30, 40 of our competitor products in here, and we're putting it on generators and seeing how they perform if there's any form of ignition or spark. And we're seeing these covers go up in flames in seconds and these flames last for minutes. If that is, to your point, near anything combustible like fuel, or even if the generator is not according to protocol, if it's too close to the home, that can start a fire. We see
all that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. Are you an Around the House insider? To get the show early with exclusive content, check out the link in the show notes below. Make sure you catch our new website at aroundthehouseonline.com. Otherwise, our 2 new episodes publish each Saturday here on your favorite podcast player. Thanks for tuning into the Around the House show. We will see you on Saturday.
Hey guys, Eric G from Around the House. Tired of juggling brooms and blowers for cleanup? Meet the Aero Broom, a 2-in-1 sweeper and cordless leaf blower that works inside and outside your home, all for under $60. This lightweight tool clears dust and debris in half the time, leaving your floors or patio spotless. I've tested it. Trust me, it's a game changer. Visit aerobroom.com now and grab yours. That's AERO broom.com. Sweep smart.